We make a really strong effort to make sure that our guests and our owners have exceptional experiences, whether that's a moonlight kayak ride in the national parks, or a babysitter who brings over a snowman making kit, or a private chef who comes to the house and not only makes you dinner but follows it up with a whiskey tasting and paired cigars. We always make sure that it's not just the average experience that you might think of, but we try to always go above and beyond. So we do really cool experiences for groups of girls when they come to town. If we have a bunch of ladies coming to town to celebrate a bachelorette party or just have a girls' weekend, one of the things we can do is do adventure yoga. So there are instructors that will take a group, maybe say a group of like 6 ladies that are staying in a house together, bring them up to one of the peaks. So they'll do a hike up to a really pretty peak with great views, and then they'll have yoga class up on top of the mountain. And then they'll come back, and then we'll arrange for an in-home masseuse, a group of massage artists to come to the house and do in-home massage for the group of ladies after they get back. And we feel like when a group of women takes time out of their life to come and go on a vacation in the mountains, we want to make sure that they have a really good experience and great stories to tell when they get home. When we have kids come and stay in the properties that we manage, we want to make sure that when we get them a babysitter, a lot of times our guests will ask for babysitter services. I don't want to just send a babysitter who's going to put them in front of the TV and the same old boring thing. So we have babysitters that will show up with, say, a kit to make a snowman, or a kit to do s'mores, and so that when that babysitter is spending time with the kids and the parents are out to dinner, the parents know that their kids aren't having a boring evening while they're on vacation. They're having a really cool experience too, and the babysitter will take pictures and send it to the parents. And so even though the kids are home with the babysitter while the parents might be out having a nice dinner, the kids get to still have a really nice, memorable experience. And so we think that's important.
So we like to do memorable experiences for groups of guys. And one of the things we've done in the past is we've set them up with a dinner to a yurt up in the mountains where a snowcat will take them, and it's actually the Viking yurt. And so they had a big feast there, and they got Viking helmets that they could take home, custom made for them, so they could set them, in their office or something like that. And it was just a great experience. They got local whiskey that was given to them too as a gift. So it was something that they really, really enjoyed, and they still talk about to this day.